2020. Been a while since we've done anything with the car. So we were having a house built, living in a camper. I haven't done anything with the car. We're in a whole new place, major upgrade. So finally get the car in the garage and I get a chance to start doing stuff. Well, because of this sitting out, I guess in the sun, I wasn't able to keep it in the garage. So this is one of those cheaper, like stick-on carbon fiber caps. You can see like all the plastic come off the outside of it and stuff. This is just basically just a cover. Nothing. It's one of the cheap ones. I don't remember honestly where I got it. I mean, at first it was really cool, and maybe if I'd have been able to keep the car in the garage, it'd have been fine. So we had this is done. My wife actually did the drawing. It's kind of a modified Demon. It's the Loki. Billet Technologies did the button. And you look on there, they've got them like, you know, some of them say Mustang Tears and whatever. You can have them kind of custom engraved, obviously, and do whatever you want. So to replace this, though, I got this from Destroyed Kustoms. This is like a legit, not just some stick-on carbon cover. This is like legit carbon, like done. He did. I mean, it is a carbon cover, but it's like real carbon fiber. He like finishes it and treats it. It's not just like a sticker. It was actually like full on, like done legit. So this I'm gonna replace this. So I had to take this out, the old one, and pop that in. So I watched a couple videos and just to show it's not that hard. Well, I mean, it'll take a little manual dexterity. I'm not gonna be able to show all that on the video, but you just push these clips in. There's 4 of them, 2 on the, 2 on the top. Go ahead and scratch it up before I get to put it in there, and 2 on the bottom. And then you've got that goes around the filler neck. So basically you just you have to reach under the fender, in between the fender liner and the fender, and push those little clips in. And then once you do that, then you can just wiggle that thing out, and then you just pull the whole neck out. And then what I'm gonna do when I do that, I'll just take this button off of there and put the button, I'll probably have to get some new double-sided tape, but I'll put the button back on here. So let's see if we can figure out how to do this. Well, there you have it. There's the old one. All spiders and all. So like I said, you just push those clips out, and then there you have it. You got a hole. So I'm gonna wipe the dirt and stuff, because first time this thing's ever been out that I know of anyway. So I'll wipe it out and then just pop that one back in. All right, so there, that's popped in. And there's that. Looks pretty sweet. It just clicks in, no problem. So then now for the gas cap, there's that little, you got the little string in there, so I just have to pop that out of there, and it's just like a regular, I don't know, Christmas tree clip, some folks call them, I guess, or whatever. Little. So I'll just pop that out, and then it'll pop right into that hole right there, and the gas cap's in. So like I said, it's a little, zoom in, or clear on it, whatever, like a little Christmas tree thing. Okay. And then you just have to locate the hole. Pop that in there. Hard to do with, give me a sec. So there you go. I just pop that in there and back on the hook. I cheated and I used a pair of scissors and pushed up underneath there and just use that to pry out. It'd be better to use it like a trim tool. Something plastic, soft, so you don't hurt anything. Put them there. Back there, and voila. And all you have to do to get under there is just, you don't need a tool or anything. That's just loose in there, so you just pop that in. Or pull that out and then reach up in there. I was lucky enough, my arms were small enough, I was able to do it. I didn't have to jack up the car, but there you have it. So then all I have to do is, again, just pop that off of there, put some double-sided tape back under it, and stick it back on the gas cap. So there you have it. Pull the old double-sided tape off the back of it, put new stuff on, and voila. So Billet Technologies, Destroyed Kustoms. Destroyed Kustoms. There's some other parts on here we've got that he's done for me that we'll be putting on here in just a little while. So, it's pretty exciting. Look, you got new shoes too.